Welcome to the lesson video for lesson 12 in level 1 of the Mayron Cole piano method. This is going to encompass pages 97 to 102. And in this section, we're going to be starting off with a worksheet for our next song, Autumn Bells. And we're going to go through these really quickly. I'm going to let you pause the video, and then you can go ahead and come back in and fill out the worksheet together. So first, number one, this symbol is the what clef because it was originally a big letter G. Number two, this is the what clef because it was originally a big letter F. Number three, once a note is sharped or flatted, it remains that way for the rest of the measure unless a natural sign, kind of looks like a sharp, but it's not, cancels it out, yes or no. A tie hold means to strike a key and keep holding the key down for the combined counts of both the tied notes, yes or no. Okay, number five, this tie hold, so you're going to be looking at the little two-measure staff right there. This tie hold equals 3, 5, or 6 counts. Number six, a sharp sign tells you to go forward or backward to play the very next key. Number seven, this is a pedal mark. It tells you to push the right or the left pedal with your right foot. And then also remember, always keep your heel on the floor. Number eight, this is a fermata. It tells you to hold the key down a little longer, yes or no. Number nine, the flat sign tells you to go forward or backward to play the very next key. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. We're going to come back in and answer these together. All right, let's go ahead and come in and get these written in. Number one, I'm going to take my red color. Number one, this is the G clef because it was originally a big letter G. Number two, this is the F clef because it was originally a big letter F. Three, once a note is sharped or flatted, it remains that way for the rest of the measure. Yes, I'm going to put a Y to abbreviate, but Y is yes. Number four, a tie hold means to strike a key and keep holding the key down for the combined number of counts. Yes. Okay, this tie hold. So we're going to take a look at this one over here, little staff. Dotted half note, which is 3 counts, is tied to a dotted half note, which is another 3 counts. So that is 6 counts total. Okay, if you need to pause, answer those really quickly in your book. Go ahead and do that, but I'm going to go ahead and clear these answers so we can look at the bottom half of the page as well. All right, clear all those out. Let's come down here, answer 6 to 9. Number 6, a sharp sign tells you to go forward or backward. Okay, sharp, it's going to go up, it's going to go higher, so that's forward. We're going to put an F to abbreviate. Play the very next key, either black or white. This, number 7, it almost looks like a 3-sided box. That is the pedal mark. It tells you to push the right pedal down with your right foot. Number 8, this is a fermata. It means to hold down the key a little longer. Yes. Okay, general rule of thumb, you want to hold that key down twice as long. So if you have a dotted half note, you're going to hold it down for 6 counts instead of just 3. Number 9, the flat sign tells you to go forward or backward. Okay, so this might be an easy one if you're thinking about the sharp. So if sharp goes forward, flat's going to go backward. And another way to think about it too, the flat sign looks like a little B. So if you see the flat sign looks like a little B, that means backward. Okay, if you want to go ahead and pause and get those answered, and then we'll go ahead and move on. All right, let's go ahead and move on here. So the first song in this lesson here is going to be the Autumn Bells. We'll have the video lesson for the Autumn Bells linked in the description. We can go ahead and scroll, scroll, scroll. And then we're also going to have a video lesson for Frere Jacques as well. Again, that'll be linked in the description below. And then next, finally, on the last part of this lesson, we have another dot to dot. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. Oh, there's my keyboard. Now, again, this one is not really going to make a picture, but we're going to come through here together. So I'm going to get my straight line here. So we're going to start, find an E key. So we want to find the E key. Remember, the E is with the 2 black keys. And it is down here. Next, find an A key. So A key is with the gate. The gate is the 3 black keys. We're going to come down here. Now find a C key. C key goes back to the 2 black keys. C is all the way up here. Next, find a G key. So G is also with the gate, and the G is actually just below C right here. Now it says find an F key. So F is still within the gate. So F is all the way up here. And now it says find a D key. D key is going to be in between the two black keys. That D key is going to be down here. And then last but not least, we're going to look for a B key. B key is going to be on the right side of the gate. And it's right there. And it says color the picture. So you can color the picture if you want to right there. So that is the end of our video for lesson 12 in the Mayron Cole Piano Method book. You feel free to go back and rewind and review any part of the video that you need to catch up on.